everybody and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you everything to do with my new Etsy shop. So in today's video I just wanted to share with you a couple of different things. Firstly, why I decided to open an Etsy shop. Secondly, how I found the process of opening an Etsy shop. Was it easy and things like that if you yourself are interested in starting to sell stuff on Etsy. And lastly, I'll be sharing with you what I've decided to sell. So firstly, why did I open an Etsy shop? Well, I've been wanting to sell on Etsy for such a long time. If you've been following me on Instagram or seen some of my previous videos, you'll know that I love selling my photography and stuff like that at art markets. I've been selling at art markets in Beijing last year, which is always super fun. And I kind of wanted to do that again, but online, I guess. So recently, because I've been stuck at home, obviously during this pandemic, this virus that's taking over the world is making us all stay at home, so I haven't been able to do my usual sort of street photography because there's no one in the streets and I can't go to the streets. So I've actually kind of gone back to my childhood love of just like drawing and art and doodling and painting and different things like that. So I ended up kind of getting a bit artsy and craftsy at home, and then I thought, well, this stuff would be perfect to sell in Beijing at an art market, so I thought, why not try and sell some of it on Etsy? So I had all this creativity burning inside of me and I kind of wanted to try selling on Etsy just to test the waters in selling online. I've always wanted to sell stuff online and see what that was like. Also, another big reason why I wanted to start selling on Etsy is because I'm planning on leaving China at the end of this year. I mean, you can see that I've left China. I'm at home in Belfast, but I technically still work in China. I can't go back to China obviously because of the pandemic at the minute, but I was supposed to finish in June, and after June I don't have a job. So that's going to be fun. But one of my main goals in life is to be self-employed. Like, I've always, from the youngest age, I've always been trying to do like lemonade stands at the end of our driveway, which never went well because we live in the country and nobody ever drives down these roads, but it was fine. I definitely have always had like an entrepreneurial sort of mindset, and I think my dream for me would to be self-employed. As much as I love teaching and just the teaching world in general, I find it really enjoyable, but I just really want to work for myself. So being able to sell on Etsy is kind of letting me start that and maybe building upon that and seeing where it takes me, basically. So hopefully it goes well. I'm not expecting to sell very much at the minute because I'm just starting, but I'm kind of hoping it might turn into a little bit of a little side hustle, a little bit of pocket money, because as of June I won't really have a job, so it'd be nice to get a few extra quid from selling on Etsy. So was it easy to set up my shop? Yes, it was. It was very easy to set up a shop with Etsy. I found the whole process to be a breeze. You basically start out by picking your shop name, and then they take you through the listing process, which is quite good. So you have to make a listing straight away. I just kind of used a rubbish photo of some of the stuff that I made, just, you know, to test it out. And you'll put up a photo, you'll have a little chance to experience titling and creating your description and tags and things like that. So it kind of takes you from opening the shop through the process of posting a listing, and then it kind of guides you through sort of your dashboard and stats, behind the scenes stats as well. So I find the process to be really easy. So if you're considering selling on Etsy yourself, definitely check it out. It really wasn't that hard to do. It only really took a few minutes to set up. The thing that takes time is actually when you've got your products and you want to put your listings up on Etsy, because that does take a bit of time per listing, you know, doing the description, the different tags and what tags are appropriate and things like that. So once you're in it, listings take a little bit of time, but once it's set up, it's easy. So I recommend it. So what am I selling? The exciting part. So you've seen me sell at art markets before and selling posters and prints and things like that, but because I'm kind of doing more sort of like traditional art and working with clay and different things at home, this sort of reflects that. So I have a few things to show you. I've been making stickers, which has been fun. I'll insert like a proper photo or a clip of these stickers because obviously they're all packaged and you can't really see them. But some of the things I've been creating are these little apple stickers, which are really cute. These are my first design. The little apples all have different faces and different emotions, and they're quite cute. I have little kitty cats because kitty cats are my favorite. So I had to design some cats because I just love cats, and one of them is angry and one of them is happy. And I've discovered over kind of designing stickers over the last few weeks that I love making things look angry. It's just so cute. So I also have a little pack of cute little eggs, which are my smallest sticker, and I think there's 5 of these in the pack, and they also have cute little faces and they're perfect for sticking on small things. Last sticker pack I have are these little toasts, and I think these might be my favorite because I like how the size of these turned out. I like the color of them. I love their cute little faces. I really love toast as well. If you're a friend of mine on Animal Crossing New Horizons, you'll know that my island is called Toast. In addition to stickers, I'm also selling a variety of clay pins. So I have like a whole box of pins that I made. If you saw last week's video on how to make clay pins, I show you how I made these and painted them, glossed them, put their backs on and everything. So you'll probably get to see in more detail the different shapes and faces that I made. But I'll just show you a couple of them. I packed them onto my new business cards, which I really liked. And it kind of worked as, you know, a good pin back, but also let me share my business card. So I thought that was a good idea, like a two for one. 2 birds, 1 stone with my business card as pin backing, and it's really sturdy. These are really thick. I like these. So that's currently all I'm selling, is little stickers and little pins. Actually, this pin sold last night to my friend Beth. She's gonna get my grumpy avocado, which I think is perfect because every time I think of Beth, I think of avocados. If you know Beth O'Grady, you know she loves avocados. I'm really excited to send this to her and create more stickers and more pins. I have some product ideas for the future, so we'll see what happens. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you bought anything in my new shop that went live last night, thank you so much. I can't even express how much I appreciate it. So if you'd like to check out the shop, I'll leave the links below, and I'll also leave a link to my new art Instagram account because my main one is like my photography. So I've made like a separate art one where you'll see like my doodles and drawings and things like that. So please follow along on there as well. And I hope you can consider subscribing to this channel. I make videos every Sunday. I'm thinking next week I'll maybe make a video about how I made these stickers at home, and then possibly the following week I kind of want to talk in detail about my packaging and how it's eco-friendly and doesn't contain plastic and things like that, and why I think that's important. So if you're interested in those topics, please subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.